welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm going to do a Gyro Smash Burger. That's right, a Gyro Smash Burger. I know Gyros aren't burgers, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the Gyro Meat, and then we're going to bring it out like a hamburger, and we're going to smash it. Now, I did do a smoked Gyro a year and a half ago on the Pit Boss, and that turned out amazing. We love Gyros. That smoked Gyro was great. I will put it down, a link to it down in the description so you can check that out. I mean, you don't have to smoke it, but you know, if you got a smoker, go for it. You could do it in the oven, but I'll tell you what, it's a very good Gyro recipe. And so let's go inside right now. Oh, before we go, I had to go to the store and we had to get some other spices because I used them up at Thanksgiving. So I was out of some spices and we needed some other stuff, and we were going to make a Gyro a tzatziki sauce, a dairy-free tzatziki sauce, but we couldn't find any coconut yogurt, just plain. They had flavored, but they didn't have plain. So my wife came home with a bottle of cucumber tzatziki sauce, and on the bottle it says contains milk. So we have a guest coming over and she can't have milk, and so we kind of screwed up. She's just going to have her Gyro burger without the tzatziki sauce. So we called her and talked to her. She said that was fine. So anyway, let's get inside. I'll show you how we put the meat together. Okay, we have a pound of ground lamb and a pound of ground 80/20, a tablespoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of dried rosemary, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of kosher salt, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of marjoram, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Ha! Okay, then we mix it all together and we pour it over our meat. We get it all mixed together, and then once we get it all mixed together, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours, and then we will, once we've got that ready, we'll get them out and get them going. Okay, so that's how we put the meat together, and you're not going to believe this. Our guest got here, we're getting everything out, getting it ready, getting our tomatoes, onions, lettuce, everything ready, and I went to get our hamburger buns, and guess what? Yep. We forgot to get hamburger buns at the store. We have pita though. So, you know, we had a little debate. Should we just order pizza, or should we go ahead and just make these and we'll put them in the pita, which is what Gyros are usually in. And we decided to go ahead and go with the, use the pitas. So I'm gonna get these burgers smashed down, cooked. We're gonna take them inside, do a build for you. I'll end up cutting the burgers in half and putting them in the pita, and we'll go from there. So anyway, just want to let you know we screwed up and forgot the buns. So let's get these burgers smashed and we'll be back. Okay, you know how the smash burger goes, right? I've got about 1/4 pound balls. I'm just going to set them on here. I've got 6 of them, one at a time. And then I have that new flat Blackstone burger press, and that thing works great. The key is when you smash them, hold them 10 to 12 to 13 seconds, whatever. And give the smasher just a little wiggle, and you will actually feel it kind of break away from the hamburger. And then once you feel that, then you want to just kind of slide it off. And it's that easy. So we're going to get the rest of these all smashed down and let them go. Just like that. Piece of cake. I love this flat smasher. It is awesome. And then you just let them go for 2-3 minutes, and you flip them. And then you let them go for another couple of minutes and they will be done. We'll just take them off, just like that. Look at those. Oh, now let's go build them. Okay, and here's my pita bread. I'm just going to take one of the Gyro patties. I'm going to use my spatula and just cut it in half. Just like that. You can use a knife. I just had my spatula in my hand and just did it. Okay, and then I'm going to add those into the center of my pita bread. And here is that cucumber tzatziki sauce I told you about. We're going to give this a try. So, anyway, dump it on it. Whoa, it is thin. Wow, this stuff is really thin. So, I'm going to pour it on there. I'm going to make a mess. It's all right. Whoops, I spilled some of it. Got it on my hand. Okay, so anyway, we put some onions on there. Tomatoes, just everything you put in a gyro. We do not put feta in here, feta cheese, because nobody likes it, so we just left it off. You add your lettuce, fold it in half, and there is your gyro. Look at that. A regular gyro and a pita bread. It ended up being a gyro patty. We cut it in half, put it in the pita. It wasn't quite a burger, but it turned out great. So this, so I didn't come back out to do a taste test for you. I apologize for that. We already had family here, and you know, just stepping outside doing the taste test, I didn't want to do that. Anyway, it was great. It tasted just like Gyro Meat. So now I know, and I'll do it again and again, is just make it up real quick like hamburger meat, smash it down on the Blackstone Griddle, and then you got your Gyro Meat ready for either in a pita like we showed you, or in a burger, which I'm about to show you because today I went to the store and got some buns. This is the second day after. It snowed pretty good yesterday. It snowed really good today, but as you can see, it's already all gone. I'm gonna put together, I had 2 patties left over. We're gonna have the original, what we wanted to do. We wanted to do gyro burgers. I made some tzatziki sauce, so we're gonna get that. I'll show you it all made. Okay, I picked up some artisan buns, so we're just gonna open those up. I made some tzatziki sauce. I made it a little thicker because we're having it like a hamburger. I didn't want it all runny. I didn't want the buns to get all soggy, so we just put some of that on there. Put our Gyro Smash patties on there. And just like the regular gyro, I'm just gonna add some onion. And then I'm gonna, after this, I'm gonna add some tomatoes, some sliced tomatoes. And before I put the lettuce on, I am going to add some more of this tzatziki sauce. Put a nice helping on there. And again, no feta cheese. You can put feta, obviously. You put what you want. Put the lettuce on top. Let me get both of these fixed up here. Then just put the lids on. Get that other. Okay, check this out. Oh man, don't those look good? Yummy, yummy. Smashed gyro burger on the Blackstone Griddle. All right, let's go take a test. Okay, how about that burger? This is a gyro burger, what I originally wanted to do. I couldn't do it the night we made them. This is 2 days later, the leftovers. Look at that. I'm telling you what, I'm taking a bite for you. Oh my gosh. Tastes just like a gyro. Regular tzatziki sauce, not all thin and runny like that bottled stuff was. This is amazing. Thank you so much for watching this, taking the time. I know sometimes they get long, but man, gyro burger, a real gyro burger. All right, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.